keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A warm welcome to all dear students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Today we are going to learn English and today our topic is Pretty as a Picture. Right on the first day of school, our new class teacher, Miss Nina, told us that the last period on every Friday would be story time. We all decided immediately she must be the best teacher in the world. We hoped she knew enough stories for all the Fridays of the year. So, Friday came and we got more and more excited till at last the bell rang for the last period. We reminded her right away about her promise. Immediately means at once or without delay. Reminded means to help somebody to remember something. Yes, of course, she said happily. But as she looked around the class, we could see her face changing. Oh dear, I was going to tell you such a lovely story, but it looks as if that will have to wait. No, said everyone. That's not fair. Look at the classroom, Miss Nina said. How can we enjoy a story with all this rubbish all over the floor? So, everyone went scurrying around picking up paper and pencil stubs and putting them in the waste paper basket. What a confusion there was! But Miss Nina was not satisfied. Scurrying means moving quickly with small, short steps. Stub means a small piece of pencil that is left when the rest has been used. The desks and benches are all crooked, she said. So up popped everyone once again, straightened out the rows quickly, and put them all perfect order. That's much better, she said. But look at yourselves. Ribbons undone, shirts hanging out, shoelaces open, belts askew. Crooked means not straight. Popped means came out quickly and suddenly. Here, askew means not straight. Anything for the story, we thought, and as quickly as possible, we tidied ourselves up. We kept asking the kids around us to tell us if we were looking tidy enough. No mirrors in the classroom, you know. But this silly Shireen's plate was all undone. Sonia had to do it all over again for her and tie the bow too. One last thing, Miss Nina said. You'll be in a hurry when the story will over. So how about putting all your things into your bags right now? All the books, all notebooks. Don't forget the compass box. Have you put away your pencil, your rubber, your ruler, the pack of color pencils? Good. Now tiffin and water bottle. There's a place for everything. So put everything in its right place. Well, we were all done except Rahul and Anwar. They couldn't find their diaries. And Sheila, who couldn't find the cap of her pen. And Beena, who had lost the cup from her water bottle. And everyone was making such a noise trying to help. I thought we would never finish, and Miss Nina would be too angry to tell us a story. But at last it was all done, and Miss Nina finally smiled broadly. Now that's my favorite class, all spick and span and as clean as a whistle. But is there time for a story? Oh, yes, there is. Just a short little one. Short or long, Miss Nina told us a really funny story about a king and his clone. Only it ended too soon and we were still laughing when the bell rang. So we just thanked Miss Nina and left. Spick and span means neat and clean. By the way, Miss Nina's idea about packing the bag early was really good. My mother said she'd never found my bag so neat before, and I hadn't left anything behind in the school either. Now, on Monday, when the week began, our monitor said he had a good idea and he wanted us to listen. He said that we must practice straightening up the classroom and ourselves quickly, just within 5 minutes. That way, we would have time for long stories on Fridays. So, we drew a 5 minute drill. Here it is. First minute, start from the last kid in every line, collect and pass on all paper and rubbish to the kid in front. They go and put it in the waste paper basket. Second minute, come out of your place and straighten your desk. Look at the lines on the floor to help you keep it just right. Kids on the ends tell you if your desk is out of line. Third minute, the shoelaces and ribbons, tuck in blouses and shirts, straighten dresses and belts. Face your partners to make sure that everything is all right. Fourth minute, pack your bags, check all books, notebooks, compass boxes, color pencils, tiffins, water bottles. Have I written my homework? Have I forgotten anything? Fifth minute, sit down quietly and try to guess the story Miss Nina's going to tell. Meena, the other monitor suggested that we do this without saying a single word. Great idea. That saves us all the confusion. Miss Nina so pleased with the 5 minute drill. She said she would also help. She said she would keep looking at her watch and tell us after every minute to hurry up. We practiced starting on Monday itself. It was crazy at first. There were kids giggling and making funny faces, and we all felt awkward. But we had to do it for sake of that story. Students, the word drill means an activity that involves repeating same thing over and over again several times. Giggling means laughing repeatedly in childish way, and the word awkward means uncomfortable. And do you know what Miss Nina said at the end of the 5 minute drill? She said our class looking as pretty as a picture. We got a full 25-minute story this Friday. Pretty means very beautiful. So, students, through this lesson, we learned that we should always keep our classroom neat and clean. Our class should look as pretty as a picture. I hope you like this lesson. Now, here are the meanings of some words from this lesson. All of you just go through these words and learn these words. Students, keep learning new things every day. Be happy and enjoy your learning.